Okay, so the next reaction is Getterman-Koch formylation of arenes. Okay, so what is arenes? Arenes means aromatic compounds. So here you can directly prepare by using benzene. Okay, benzene is when treated with carbonyl, that is carbon monoxide, hydrochloric acid, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. What do you mean by anhydrous? Without water. Okay, and you have to apply a very higher pressure directly. You will get in a one step, you will get CHO. You can see we have over here, this is H. Okay, these two will combine with each other and form CHO. So this is your benzene and this is your benzaldehyde. Okay, this is your benzene and this is your benzaldehyde. So when the benzene is treated with carbon monoxide and HCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 with high pressure gives the formation of benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as Getterman-Koch formylation. Clear? This is very clear. It is a very simple reaction. In exam, they will write down question mark on the arrow. Means what are the reagents you have used? Or they may give you benzene to benzaldehyde. What is the step? What is the name of the reaction? So directly you can write down, it is called as substituted benzene. Okay, substituted benzene means we are having over here aldehyde. Aldehyde is directly connected to the benzene ring. Clear? Any questions so far? Now next reaction, again they have given aromatic arenes is Friedel-Crafts reaction, which already we have done. Yesterday only we have done that. Friedel-Crafts acylation of arenes. Okay, so that we have done already. Okay, now next is preparation of aldehyde from ester. First to write down this Getterman-Koch formylation. Hello?
Yes.
Write down. Next heading, the next reaction is Getterman-Koch formylation of arenes. Write down. When benzene is treated with carbon monoxide and HCl, when benzene is treated with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 under high pressure, gives benzaldehyde. Under high pressure to give benzaldehyde, the reaction is known as Getterman-Koch formylation of arenes. The reaction is known as Getterman-Koch formylation of arenes.
मुझे एक बार रिपीट.
When benzene is treated with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 under high pressure to give benzaldehyde, the reaction is known as Getterman-Koch formylation of arenes. It's a very simple reaction. Understood, everybody? Vrunda, why did you leave yesterday when I asked you a question? Vrunda, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, actually it was network problem and I don't know that
Okay, जैसे क्वेश्चन
that
पूछा
you.
वैसे ही नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम आ गया वृंदा.
नहीं
मुझे
मिस,
कुछ
मुझे
अलग ही
पहले भी
प्रॉब्लम
सुनाई
है.
नहीं दे रहा था. मुझे मालूम भी नहीं आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा था.
अच्छा, और संचिता, where were you? for last lectures. Yesterday you were absent, right? और सानिका आई है? ठीक है, चलो next is preparation of aromatic ketones. Already we have done that is Riddle-Crafts reaction. Next we'll start with the preparation of aldehydes only from esters. We have a network problem, but you can type properly. ऐसे कैसे? और कितने दिन नेटवर्क इशू था आपको? मैंने आज ही देखा है आपको, बीच बीच के लेक्चर में सब टाइम पे गायब रहते हो. What will you understand? So the preparation of aldehydes only from esters. Now can you tell me what is the functional group for ester? It is R C double bond O O R dash. Okay, next time be regular. Otherwise you will be in trouble. मेरा कुछ नहीं जाएगा. ठीक है, चलो कल कौन सा रिएक्शन ये बताया था मैंने? D by H. What is the full form of this? Diisobutyl aluminium hydride. ठीक है? When we will do this reaction, what will happen? Just see, in the presence of hydronium ion, directly this group OR dash will convert into H. So you will get here R C double bond O H. There is no byproduct, nothing. Directly we have converted ester to aldehyde. Okay, direct conversion it is with the one carbon atom less. Can you see over here? यहाँ पे आपको एक और कार्बन था, यहाँ पे कार्बन लेस हो गया. Suppose I am writing over here CH3 C double bond O OCH3. Okay, it is called as methyl acetate. Is when treated with diisobutyl aluminium hydride in presence of hydronium ion. What we will do? This part will get converted into H. So it is CH3 C double bond O H. This is called as ethanol. Am I right? There are two carbon atoms. So its functional group is aldehyde. It is called as ethanol, and this is called as methyl acetate. Methyl acetate. Very simple reaction it is. Clear? We can also prepare from anhydrides. Okay, we can also prepare it from anhydride. Now see, what is anhydride? Sidhu, please make me host. ये ऐसे लोगों को होस्ट बनाता है ना कंप्यूटर, जो लोग रहते ही नहीं है. Okay, so where were we? Now from anhydrides also we can prepare. So we have R C double bond O O C double bond O R. Just do the hydrolysis. What is hydrolysis? Addition of water. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले ये क्या बनाएगा पता है? Directly it will give a formation of acid. So it will form two. ये देखो यहाँ पे क्या है? HOH है ना? RCOOH. अभी RC double bond OH. मतलब two molecules of RC double bond OOH. This is your carboxylic acid. ठीक है? It is called as carboxylic acid, and this is your anhydride. Means it will give you direct formation of acid. Is it very clear? Actually, ये मैंने अलग ही reaction लिख दिया. Don't write down this. This you will write down later on. First, you copy down this part. Preparation from aldehydes. Preparation of aldehydes only from esters. Copy down this part first. Esters in the presence of diisobutyl aluminum hydride gives you aldehyde. Write down this example. Only this part you write down. This we will do later. Once you're done, just notify that you're done with the writing part. Then we will proceed.
मैम वो फ्रॉम एनहाइड्रस वाला नहीं लिखना है क्या?
नहीं ये वाला नहीं लिखना है. This I will tell you later on. वो acid के preparation में आएगा. Just write down this part. पूरी. So one more example from ester. I'm writing here CH3, CH2, C double bond O, O, CH2, CH3. Okay, in the presence of diisobutyl aluminum, दो आया isobutyl aluminum hydride. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? This part gets converted into aldehyde. So it is CH3, CH2, C double bond O, H. बस. You'll get over here propanol. Okay, that will be your propanol. Clear, Divesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't write this anhydride wala part. Huh? Finished
मैम ये
everyone?
अभी आपने जो लिखा वो लिखना है क्या?
हाँ ये लिख लो ना example. ये इसका example है. After this, you can write down this example. Divesh has asked one more example, so I have written it.
मैम ये रिएक्शन हमेशा सिमेट्रिकल कंपाउंड्स पे होगा
क्या?
सिमेट्रिकल कंपाउंड्स पे होगा क्या ये वाला रिएक्शन?
Geometrical मतलब नहीं symmetrical नहीं, unsymmetrical भी हो सकता है. You can write down over here CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. It is unsymmetrical. So you have to, sorry, OCH3. So this part gets converted into H directly. So OR वाला part जो है, it will direct convert into H. ठीक है? Done?
Yes.
चलो. Now I'll go to the next reaction. That is the preparation of carboxylic acid. Now we have completed here one part, that is preparation of aldehydes and ketones. We will start now preparation of carboxylic acids. Okay? There are some questions on page number 263. You have to identify the necessary reagents. Okay, that answer you will give me later on. I am going to ask you that. चलो तब तक हम लोग आगे करते हैं. That is preparation of carboxylic acids. Now this is a new part. ठीक है? What is the functional group for acid? RC double bond OOH. This is your carboxylic acid. ठीक है? First of all, we will prepare it from nitrile. Yesterday only I have told you what are nitriles. Nitriles are nothing but cyanides, right? So it's a very simple reaction. Cyanides on extreme oxidation gives you acid. So I'll have over here RC triple bond N plus H2O. This is a hydrolysis. First of all, what will form? See, it is R. We have 2H. कितना है? H, OH है ना? So 1H will go to nitrogen, इधर गया, and OH will go to carbon. ठीक है? So it is RC, OH will go to carbon, and 1H will go to nitrogen. So triple bond will become double bond. Is it very clear, this part? Correct? Now we can do over here just rearrangement. Rearrangement matlab, what will I do here? I will transfer this H to this carbon, this nitrogen, and double bond to this side. So it will form RC double bond ONH2. Do you know this is called as amide? Okay, proteins are containing amide linkages, polyamide linkages. Biology वालों को पता होगा. This is amide. ठीक है? Now this amide on further hydrolysis in the presence of diluted HCl. This part, okay, this part gets converted into RC double bond O और ये क्या बन जाएगा अभी? OH. OH आ गया इधर पे, प्लस देखो वाटर था HOH, so OH will come over here, बचा क्या? H. This H will go with this NH2 and forms ammonia. So this is your acid. Clear this reaction? I hope everybody understood this. Again, I am repeating. We have over here cyanide. This is your alkyl cyanide or nitrile. Okay? Do the hydrolysis. What will happen? This H will go to nitrogen, forms double bond. And OH will go to carbon, forms OH. Now we will do the rearrangement. So hydrogen will shift here, double bond will shift here. It will give you amide. Now वापस से amide का hydrolysis करो, HOH. ठीक है? So this part, this NH2 will go, and in place of this OH will come. अब क्या बचा? H. This will go with this NH2, forms ammonia. Understood? Now I will take here one example. CH3C triple bond N. This is methyl nitrile, or it is also called as ethane nitrile. Sorry, methyl nitrile नहीं है ये, ethane nitrile है. I am going to treat it with water H2O. ये reaction देखो और वैसे ही लिखना है. ठीक है? So what will happen? H will go to nitrogen, OH will go to carbon. So it is CH3C OH double bond NH. अब क्या करेंगे? H will shift here, double bond will shift here. So what it will form? This is the equivalent structure. So it will form CH3C double bond O NH2. It is called as acetamide. Okay, this is your acetamide. Now again do the hydrolysis in presence of diluted HCl. तो इसकी जगह पर क्या आ जाएगा? OH. So it is CH3 C double bond O OH plus H will go with this and forms ammonia. So this is your acetic acid. Clear this reaction? Understood everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
चलो पहले
ma'am.
इतना कॉपी करो. Okay. First you copy down, then I will give you some more questions to solve on that. ठीक है, एकदम easy था. Write on the heading preparation of carboxylic acids. Preparation of carboxylic acids from nitriles and amides. पूरा लिखो nitriles and amides. हाँ मैं ऊपर करती हूँ कैमरा. वेट. Can you copy down this properly? हो जाएगा तो मुझे बोलो. ठीक है. I hope you all are able to see this.
मैम ब्लर दिख रहा है.
सभी को ब्लर दिख रहा है?
हाँ मैम थोड़ा है लेकिन चलेगा।
अभी देखो, अभी इतना पहले ऊपर वाला दिख रहा है क्या अच्छे से? कॉपी डाउन द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन फर्स्ट. ऐसे जाना है, ऐसा. ठीक है. Is it fine now?
यस मैम।
Okay. Those who are done, copy down this reaction. Okay, done everyone? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Now I'm giving you one question. You copy down and tell me the answer. ठीक है? Same ऐसे ही करना है. I will give you CH3, CH2, C triple bond N. चलो इसके साथ एक reaction करो. Next reaction you do with benzyl cyanide. C triple bond N. Will you be able to do same steps? Everything will be same. Will you do that?
Yes, sir.
हाँ चलो फटाफट करो and let me know your answers. Okay, what is the answer? सब लोग अलग अलग आंसर दे रहे हैं. Benzoic acid is correct. And propanoic acid बराबर correct. इथेनोइक एसिड नहीं आएगा कन्हैया, प्रोपेनोइक एसिड आएगा. 3 कार्बन है ना. This part gets converted into COOH. Correct. Everybody has given correct answer. Very good. It is propanoic acid and benzoic acid. Yes, yes. फंक्शनल ग्रुप में COH का कार्बन गिनना होता है. Done. Shall I proceed now? Okay. Now we'll go for the next reaction. Oh shit. एक मिनट. Now next reaction is from acyl chloride and anhydride. Okay, that part we will do now. Preparation from acyl chloride and anhydrides. Okay. Now can anybody tell me what is acyl chloride? R C double bond O Cl. कल ही पढ़ाया था मैंने. This is your acyl chloride. ठीक है? Just do a simple hydrolysis. What will happen? This HCl will go out and OH will attach over here. You will get R C double bond O OH plus HCl. Again, I said simplest reaction. That is called as from acyl chloride. ठीक है? Part A, you can write down here CH3 C double bond O Cl. This is your acetyl chloride treated with water HOH. Complete the reaction. ठीक है? Next reaction is from anhydride. अभी ये वाला reaction अभी आएगा. C double bond O O then C double bond O R. This is your anhydride. ठीक है? So again we are going to treat it with the water. So this part RCO OH इसके साथ गया and RCO OH इसके साथ गया. मतलब 2 molecules of acid you will get here. ठीक है? This is your acid. I'm writing here CH3 C double bond O O C double bond O CH3. This is called as acetic anhydride. Complete the following reaction. Treat it with water, do the hydrolysis and complete the reaction. Clear? Simplest reaction. Any questions so far? Any questions, बच्चों?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. चलो कंप्लीट करके मुझे बोलो.
मुझे एक बार एनहाइड्राइड का बता।
Yes, what you said?
Miss, can you repeat
Yes,
this
ethanoic acid.
anhydride?
See, it's very simple. HOH, the one part will go with this RCOOH and RCOOH. एक बार H इसके साथ join करो, OH इसके साथ join करो, तो you will get two molecules over here. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Done, everybody. Ethanoic acid is the answer. Correct. अगले वाले का क्या आंसर आया? Yes, yes, बराबर. चलो, now next. Acid hydrolysis of ester.
वैसे सेकंड वाले में कितने प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे?
एक ही प्रोडक्ट आएगा, टू टाइप्स का. एसिटिक एसिड CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड OOH, ये आंसर आएगा. और इसमें भी वही आएगा.
हाँ
देखो,
मिस.
ओ सॉरी, हाँ चल गया. तो CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड OOH, दोनों जगह सेम आंसर है. Your two molecules, your one
हाँ मिस.
molecule. Done. चलो next. Next we will do here is from acid hydrolysis of esters. एक मिनट. Now we will write down here acid from acid hydrolysis of ester. What do you mean by acid hydrolysis? When you're going to use acids as a catalyst, it is called as acid hydrolyzed reaction. Again, ester is R C double bond O OR dash plus H2O. Same reaction है, वापस से दिया है. Diluted H2SO4, because we are using over here acid as a catalyst. What is the role of catalyst? It will speed up the reaction. ठीक है? तो क्या बन जाएगा? देखो RCOO और ये H इसके साथ आ गया. It will form RC double bond OH plus ये हो जाएगा R dash OH. You will get acid and you will get alcohol. This is your acid and this is your alcohol. Simple एकदम. चलो, I will write down here CH3 C double bond O OCH3 plus HOH. Complete the reaction. This is methyl acetate. Clear? RCOOH and R dash OH. So you will get acid also, you will get alcohol also. Alcohol में पढ़ा होगा ना ये? Reaction of alcohol में, when acid combines with the alcohol, gives you ester. पढ़ा है कि नहीं alcohol chapter में? उल्टा part.
यस.
हाँ, चलो लिखो फटाक से आंसर बोलो मुझे इसका. Okay, so this is ethanoic acid and methanol. Everybody got this answer? Ethanoic acid and methanol.
Yes.
Okay, chalo, next reaction. Now next, already you have done in your 11th standard, that is saponification. Can anybody tell me what is saponification? What is saponification? 11th standard में किया है. saponification reaction, formation of soap. Yes or no? So that is called as saponification reaction. Okay. So we'll write down here alkaline hydrolysis of ester. What happened, Priyanka? What's wrong? You're not able to send the personal message. मतलब अभी क्या किया? Personal message ही किया ना? क्या हुआ problem? Okay, ठीक है. No problem. There may be some network glitches. So next we'll do here. हाँ, बराबर है दिवेश. Correct. Alkaline hydrolysis of ester. ठीक है? I will take ester over here. CH3C double bond O CH3 plus diluted NaOH. ठीक है? Just heat these two reactants. देखो क्या प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा हम लोग को. CH3C double bond O ONA O minus Na plus, मतलब ये वाला जो पार्ट है निकल गया, इसी जगह पर क्या आ गया? Na. So what we get over here, this is methanol CH3OH. अभी इसी में वापस से वाटर डालो HOH. ठीक है? In the presence of concentrated HCl. अभी क्या हो जाएगा? This H will be removed. Correct? It will go and form NaOH. और ये H इधर आ गया. So it is CH3C double bond O OH plus NaOH. Clear? This H will come here. It will form NaOH. So this is your acid. Which acid it is? It is your ethanoic acid. Correct? This is your ethanoic acid. So the sodium salt of higher fatty acids are known as soaps. Sodium salts of higher fatty acids. If I'm taking over here CH3, CH2, 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 C double bond O, ONA. So that is called as higher fatty acid. And that is called as soap. And this whole process is called as saponification because we are forming soaps over here. Okay, this is the commercial method for the preparation of soaps. Understood? Clear this much part? Saponification. So write down here, this process is also known as saponification. That is the formation of soap. पहले इतना copy करो. I will give you one more reaction. You complete that. Any doubts? Any questions? Any questions?
मैम फिर से रिएक्शन बताओ ना.
हाँ, देखो. You have ester. You have NaOH. This will go and form NaOH over here. So this is sodium salt of your acid, and this will give you methanol. Methanol is highly volatile in nature. It will evaporate. Now you treat this part. Actually में ये आपका soap रहता है. ठीक है? Sodium salt of higher fatty acids are called as soaps. Now you will treat it with the water. Na will replaced by H. तो क्या बन गया? Acid. And Na will go with this OH to form NaOH. फिर ये प्रोसेस वापस से रिपीट हो जाएगा. So process continues until your ester is completely used. समझा?
यस मैम.
सिद्धू किधर गया है? सिद्धू है भी कि नहीं है? कैसे अजीब और गरीब बच्चे कैसे हैं? उसको होस्ट हो गया है वो, तो उसने मुझे होस्ट बनाना चाहिए. मीटिंग कौन एंड करेगा? लास्ट टाइम में यही था ना?
नहीं मिस, वो जोशुआ था.
जोशुआ था. हाँ, अभी ये सिद्धू एक नया नमूना. कॉल करो उसको, बोलो कि मिस को होस्ट बनाने के लिए. किधर गायब हो गया क्या पता? यूजलेस. फोन चालू रख के घूमते रहते हैं यहाँ वहाँ सब जगह, बेवकूफ लोग. Call him and tell him to make me a host. Done? Finished, everybody? Okay, now I will write down one question. You complete that. You can do the saponification of that. So C2H5 C double bond O OCH3 इसको बोलते हैं मिथाइल प्रोपेनोएट. Methyl propanoate. Do the saponification of this reactant. C2H5. Same. First treat it with diluted NaOH. Do the hydrolysis and tell me your product. Will you be able to do this? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool.
मैम ये प्रोसेस तो कंटिन्यूस है ना, तो इसका प्रोडक्ट
Yes,
सेम
yes.
आएगा.
सेम आएगा नहीं. कैसे आएगा? ये क्या CH3 है, इधर C2H5 है. एसिड अलग आएगा ना, तो अलग
हाँ
आएगा.
लेकिन वही आएगा ना लास्ट में.
क्या आएगा लास्ट में?
अच्छा अलग हो रहा है राइट राइट.
मैं पागल हूँ क्या सेम क्वेश्चन देने के लिए? कौन सा ये?
नहीं मैम मैं उसकी बात नहीं कर रहा था.
हाँ.
वो
फिर?
क्या मुझे लगा कि प्रोडक्ट में फिर से सी डबल बॉन्ड और CH3 आएगा.
ये आया ना, ये तो मिथानॉल बन जाएगा, बट ये आपका अलग आएगा ना,
हाँ वो
तो अलग
अलग होएगा.
आएगा. एसिड आपका अलग आएगा. यस, आई हैव दैट सेंस. चलो लिखो फटाफट. चलो आ गया सबका आंसर. व्हाट इज द आंसर? यस, करेक्ट. Kanaya and Devesh has given correct answer. Oh, sorry, Kashish. Srishti, correct answer. Very good. So it will give you propanoic acid. Correct. अभी ये सिद्धू ये है, इसको कॉल करो, बोलो उसको. चलो, should I proceed for the next reaction? From alkyl benzene. Next reaction is, yes, Shruti, you can leave, no problem. So next reaction is from alkyl benzene. Welcome. ठीक है? Now we will do over here toluene. Again, we will take a toluene. That is CHHH. We are going to treat it with KMnO4. KMnO4 is potassium. Yes, yes. Acidification and acid hydrolysis is same. Correct, it is. KMnO4 and KOH, just heat it. Okay? So what will happen now? This whole part is getting converted into potassium salt, that is COOK, K plus and O minus. It is called as potassium benzoate. Okay? This whole part is getting converted into potassium salt of this. Now you treat it with hydronium ion. ठीक है? तो डायरेक्टली किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? Acid. Direct conversion. It will give you COA. This is called as benzoic acid. ठीक है? This is called as benzoic acid. एकदम simple reaction. KMnO4 will oxidize the methyl group into COOK. And ये directly किस में convert हो जाता है? Acid में convert हो जाता है. ठीक है? Okay. Now I will give you one more reaction. If I'm using here a tertiary alkyl benzene. Suppose my reaction is like this. I will take here benzene, this C, CH3, CH3H. ठीक है? You treat it with KMnO4, KOH and heat. ठीक है? यहाँ पे कौन सा भी ग्रुप रहने दो, any group gets converted into potassium benzoate only. ये एक advantage है इस reaction का. And finally, on hydrolysis, it will give you benzoic acid, COOH. समझा? तो कोई भी प्रोडक्ट, कोई भी यहाँ पे रहेगा ग्रुप, प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्शरी, it will form this part only, sodium benzoate only. So it will form benzoic acid. Clear? This is the advantage of this reaction. Any substituted alkenes will give you this. Understood, everybody? ठीक है? This is your, what is the name of this compound? It is called as cumin. Cumin किधर पड़ा है? What is IPC name? 1, 2, 3. 2-phenyl propane. Correct, na? 2-phenyl propane is called as cumin. Got everybody? So anything, any alkyl group is getting converted into potassium benzoate. And this on hydrolysis gives you acid. ठीक है? Clear? Yes or no? Please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, चलो कॉपी करो फटाफट. Copy down this part first. This is your toluene. Okay, you can leave. No problem. Yes, Kanaya, you can leave. What about others? Have you written this reaction? Done? This page is done? Okay. I'm turning the page now. Should I? Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now you copy down this reaction. Thank you, Rishi. वो सिद्धू कौन था लेकिन? ठीक है, चलो करो फटाफट अभी। राइट डाउन दिस रिएक्शन। इसके बाद दो रिएक्शन है, फ्रॉम अल्कीन्स एंड फ्रॉम ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट। फिर अपना प्रेपरेशन हो जाएगा। Then we will start with the physical properties. So whatever I have taught you, tomorrow there will be a very small test on that. Done. चलो अभी next reaction we will do from alkenes. ठीक है? Now the next reaction is from alkenes. Alkene means carbon carbon double bond. ठीक है? So it is C6H5CH double bond CH2. It is called as phenylethene. ठीक है? Now just do the oxidation of your alkene, that is KMNO4 diluted H2SO4 and just heat this. ठीक है? So what will happen now? This whole part, ये देखो alkene वाला part है ना, CH double bond CH2 get converted into acid. So it will form C6H5COH. Just change करना है. So it is giving you benzoic acid. Clear? एकदम सिंपल है. जो एसिड वाला पार्ट है, सॉरी जो डबल बॉन्ड वाला पार्ट है, दैट विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द एसिड. नाउ सी आई हैव दिस कंपाउंड. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज cyclohexene. Yes or no? This is your cyclohexene. Do the oxidation by using KMNO4 and diluted H2SO4 heat. ये यहाँ से चेन ब्रेक हो जाएगा. And what it will form now? See here. COOH. COOH. This is called as adipic acid. Can you tell me the IUPAC name for this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is called as hexane 1,6 dioic acid. This is one of the reagent to prepare nylon. Nylon की रस्सियाँ हम लोग use करते हैं. ठीक है? Fishing nets, nylon trousers and saris, etc. It is one of the component, one of the reactant to prepare that main reactant, which is called as adipic acid. When we will study polymer chapter, that time I will tell you. Easy है ये part. चलो फटाफट copy करो. And then I will teach you from Grignard reagent also. तो ये अपना preparation हो जाएगा. Cyclohexene, KMNO4, H2SO4. एकदम fast लिखो चलो. Any doubts in this? Just break the chain from here. It will break and form acids. हो गया सबका? डन? Is it very clear? See, we have studied so many reactions today. एक last ही बचा है, from Grignard reagent. सिखा दूं क्या ये? फिर अपना ये हो जाएगा, preparations हो जाएगा. हाँ? Last reaction. चलो. We will take RMgX. What is this? Alkyl magnesium halide. This is a Grignard reagent. I will take over here C double bond O. This is called as dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide is called as dry ice. Okay? I will take the very important part of this reaction, dry ether, because it will react very dangerously in the presence of water. Now this is the carbon. Carbon will go to carbon, non-carbon will go to non-carbon. तो कैसे होगा हमारा reaction अभी? I will write down here R C O O M G X. मतलब ये देखो R आ गया, R किसको join हो गया? C, double bond O, Mg X. Clear? Now you do the hydrolysis. एकदम simple part. In the presence of diluted HCl, ये part निकल जाएगा बाहर. You will get R C O O H plus MgXOH. तो आ गया acid. This is my acid. Clear? देखो R will go to carbon, so it will form R C O O MgX. Then water R C O O H. ये part चला जाएगा, फिर यहाँ पर क्या जाएगा? H. And then MgXOH. This is from the Grignard reagent. I will explain this with the help of example also. ये भी copy कर लो. Till here we have completed all the preparations of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Tomorrow there will be a very short test on all the preparations. हो जाएगा तो बोलो. हाँ? Done? What about others? Finished?
Miss last line.
हाँ ठीक है. अब अगर मैंने ये RCMgX की जगह पर मिथाइल मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड लिया, कैन यू कंप्लीट द रिएक्शन? ड्राई ईथर सेम रहने वाला है, ड्राई आइस सेम रहने वाला है, सिर्फ क्या हो जाएगा? R की जगह पर CH3COOMgX, and finally you will get over your acetic acid. Will you be able to complete this reaction? Yes or no? Dry ice. क्या आएगा प्रोडक्ट? CH3COOH, इथेनॉइक एसिड आएगा. बराबर? Orally you can answer. What is the answer? Done? So here we have completed with the preparations. We are on page number 264. Next time I will start with the physical properties. Bye-bye. Okay? And then, हाँ जिनको college है they can leave. We will start with the preparation properties, and tomorrow there will be a test on preparations. ठीक है? कुछ डाउट है किसी को? Any questions?
हाँ मैम, ये रिएक्शन फिर से सिखाओ ना।
ये वाला
हाँ
देखो, RCMgX. This is a dry ice. This is carbon. So what is the rule of Grignard reagent? Carbon will go to carbon. गया इसके पास. So it will form RC. हो गया? Then OO यहाँ पे लिखा, and then MgX. Just an addition reaction. It is called as complex. Now finally when you do the hydrolysis, this part, ये part निकलेगा बाहर, इसकी जगह पर H आ जाएगा. अब बचा मेरे पास extra MgXOH. ये लिखा ना MgXOH. Understood? Similarly
ma'am.
here also, in place of R we are writing CH3. So CH3COOMgX हो जाएगा, मतलब MgCl हो जाएगा. फिर एसिड डालोगे तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा ना सिर्फ, तो it will form CH3COOH, फिर MgXOH. Understood now? चलो, now
Yes.
we will meet tomorrow. Okay, चलो. I'm ending the meeting now. ठीक है? चलो. Bye bye. Take care everybody.